From temples to stone balls to caves, our work in stone is documented and represented in every nook and cranny around the globe. But now it's time to talk about all the glyphs found all over the world that are carved in stone. And for those who do not know, a glyph is just another word for a pictograph or Pictionary, which at one time was a kind of an iconic game. The oldest known glyph is found in Australia and is estimated to be about 50,000 years old. And that's at a time when Neanderthals were still running around, and we humans were deciding if those Neanderthals made good mates or not. Like the Karnak stones, Tepe Göbekli, or the caves of Long Yu, ancient glyphs give at least a little glimpse into the thoughts and beliefs of long past civilizations and people.